Hello my dear students, how are you all? So I hope all of you are doing good, right? So today I'm here with a very important session in your PU1 top 30 MCQs. Yes, so I've taken total of 4 chapters today. In that we have Binomial Theorem sequence and series in the low weightage category because not many questions are coming from this chapter. If you check the last 10 year PYQs, you can see total of 4-5 questions have come from both the chapters. Okay, means 5 from here, 5 from here, from the last 10 years PYQ. Basically every alternate year they might ask, and this is not like a prediction that this year will come or not, but over and all in every 2 years they ask one question from these 2 chapters, Binomial Theorem and sequence and series. And in PnC and complex number, you see total if you see the last 10 years paper, you'll get one question every year. Okay, so yes, I've taken questions from all the chapters. We'll solve all these top 30 questions from this chapter of PU1 and we'll complete this today itself. Okay, are you excited for this? Yes, you are. Let me know in the comment section. And of course, let's start the session right now. We have the question number 1 from the chapter. Please check PnC. Let's solve this. What we have: how many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digit 0 to 9? Okay, if each of the numbers starts with, all right, so they're saying that there are only total of 5 digits possible. Please check. Total of 5 digits are there. In that, starting with 67 means 2 spaces are gone. We have only 3 left. So we're gonna write what? No digits appears more than once. Alright, so let's separate, bacha. What we can do, we have a total of 10 over here. 0 to 9 means total of 10 digits are there. We have 2 gone means only 8 is left. So out of 8 we have to choose any 3, right? So 8p3, let's solve this. So it becomes 8 factorial upon 8 minus 3. How much is that? 5 factorial. What I get? 8 into 7 into 6. 8 into 7 into 6. Please check. I have 8 into 42. So 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, plus 1, 33. Is it right? Yes, 336 is the correct option. Please check. Option B is right. Option B is correct. It's a P by Q from 2014 from the chapter PnC. Okay, what is the value here, sir? 336. Correct? Chaliye. So we had to choose total of 5 digits. In that, 2 is fixed as 6 and 7. It means 2 spaces are gone. We have only 3 spaces left. Total number of digits left is 8, not 10. Why, sir? Because we have no repetition. Okay, no repetition. Please start from here. 0 to 9. 1 to 9 is 9 digits. 0 will make it 10. So out of 10, we have taken 2 out. It means how much is left? 8 is left. From the remaining 8, we have to choose 3. So 8p3. Answer is 336. 1 is done. 2 now. Now, what are they saying? NC12 and NC8 are equal. This is a simple formula, right? We know that it has to be, N should be equal to, bacha, 12 plus 8, right? Then only we can say that, no, 20C12 is equal to 20C8, right? Please check. Answer will be D. Answer is D. Now, before moving to question number 3, I have to ask all of you for this announcement of Abhyas KCET test series. I know it's the last week, almost last 10 days are left before your examination. Okay, not much time is there. That's why it's become very important to purchase the Abhyas KCET test series right now. Because this last minute, bacha, what are you going to do in this last minute? You're going to solve questions only from the chapters of physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Okay, total of 35 tests are there. If you solve even 20, 15, you can solve that. Okay, per day 1 or 2 you can solve. If you do that, you'll be able to cover a lot of questions, variety of questions. Again, in the part test full length also is there. It means that, let's say I want to practice questions only from calculus. Yes, you have the part test available. You can solve that particular, the test series, the mocks. So this is the time to solve the mocks, to make sure that what you're doing is going right, and work on that if there's any change. So what you're going to get in the Abhyas KCET test series, you're going to get the question paper, total 35. You're going to get the video solutions. Okay, you're also going to get the chapter wise one-shot revision, that is already done, and chapter wise insights for last 5 years for KCET papers. If you want to watch the revision session, will also be given to you. So everything is available. Test series already started. A lot of students are already enrolled. If you want to practice more questions, variety of questions, what are you going to do? Take Abhyas KCET test series. Now, if you are also looking for getting, writing Comet K to improve your rank, or to get a different college, because yes, in Comet K, even though the cutoff is higher, the competition is little less than what is there in KCET. So what you get is, if you want, you can take this Comet K crash course. What are you going to get in this? 12 mock tests in that. Okay, complete syllabus coverage of 11th and 12th. You also get 5 years previous year questions. Okay, and live doubt sessions for the clarification of doubts, and you have class notes and recorded revision video also available at a price of 1,999 for Comet K crash course and 1,498. One is for the PU2 series, that is already been done. So 1,498 for the Abhyas KCET. Do it today if you want to actually make a difference in your preparation. Okay, let's start with the question number 3 now. Understand your time is very important. I will not take much of your time. Question number 3. Everybody in a room shakes hands. Okay, with everybody else. Total number of hands 6. 45. Total number of person in the room. Arey, okay, no problem. To make one handshake, you need how many people? 2. You need how many people? 2. Okay. So great. Why C, sir? Because we don't want, if you is the same person is what do you call, let's say I am person A, person B shakes hands with me, okay, then there's no need of repetition of that. Okay, so I don't have to consider the permutation, only C is enough. We don't know the value, we'll call it as XC2. To make a handshake happen, it requires 2 people, right? So see XC2, please check. Okay, and of course you have this, please check. It will become X times of X minus 1 upon 2 equals to 45. So we have 90 on this side. We are getting, please check, X square minus X equals to 90. So I have X square minus X minus 90 equals to 0. It means X square minus 10X plus 9X minus 90 equal to 0. So have a look. I'm getting here X minus 10 as the factor, and other one is X plus 9. I can't get, this is 9, sir. X is 10 or minus 9. I can't have negative value, that is gone. Answer will be 10. So X as 10 is the value. Please check. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Done. Third is done. Fourth one now. The number of ways in which 5 girls and 3 boys can be seated in a row so that no 2 boys are seated together. Okay. 5 girls, right? So we have to write here girl, 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 and we have one more, total 5. Spaces 1, 2, 3, 4 in between them, and the extremes also 1 here, 1 here. Even if the boy is sitting over here, right, it'll be sitting not together, right? So I have total of 6 spaces for boys. These spaces are for boys, right? For girls we have 5, means I can choose any 5 ways. No, I can take the first girl over here, then second girl over there, like that. I'll take the second girl over here, first girl over here, like that. Basically, for choosing 5 girls to sit in 5 places, we'll have 5 factorial as a result. Great. And for making boys sit in 4 of the places, we'll take 6C. Out of 6 places we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many boys we have? 6C. Please check. 6C3, right? Okay. And we can again interchange the boys, right? Means let's say if the first boy is coming over here, it can, second boy is coming over here, again second boy can come over here, and first boy can go over there, right? So again into 3 factorial. Please check the value of this. So I'll have 5 factorial into 6 factorial upon, we have 6 minus 3 as 3 factorial into 3 factorial. We get into 3 factorial. Cancel, cancel. What I have, sir, please check. I cancel this as 5 factorial into 6 into 5 into 4, and this is nothing but 120, right? This is nothing but 120, right? 4 factorial is going to be 24 into 5 is 120. So 120 into 6 into 20. Okay. All right. Basically, one more time, I'm getting 120 into 120, right? So 12 square is 144, and we have 2 more zeros. It means 1400. 14400. Correct, na? 5 factorial is 120, and 6 into 5 is, sir, okay, sorry, 5 into 4 is, sir, one more 20. So I get 20 into 6 as 120 will become 144. 12 into 12 is 144. We have 2 zeros, so 14400. Answer is D. Please check. Again, if you want me to repeat, I had 5 girls to make them sit in 5 different places. I have number of ways as 5 factorial. Out of 6 places that I have for boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have to make only 3 boys sit in there. So that's why 6C3 into 3 factorial. You can write this value as 6P3 also. This whole thing as 6P3 also, the same thing. Okay, your choice. And then simplify this. The rest is calculation. You know all of this calculation, right, in terms of factorials, and get the result as 14400. Very simple, sir. Fourth is done. Fifth question now. Please check. The number of 4-digit numbers. We have 4-digit numbers. Okay, chaliye. Great. Without repetition, that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In which each number has 2 odd. 4 we have, even 3 we have. So odd is 4, even is 3. Chaliye. So 2 odd and 2 even. Basically they're saying that if this is odd, this is even, like that. Okay, so I have to choose 2 odd places out of 4. So 4 C2, and I have to choose same bacha what is it, into 3, right? So we get here 3C2. Yes, even but you have to choose only 2. From odd also have to choose only 2. So 4C2, and of course we have to make 4 numbers, right? So into 4 factorial. All the 4 places can be changed in 4 different ways. Okay, so we have 4 factorials. What is the answer going to be? Please check. I can write here 4C2 is going to be 4 divided by, what is it, 2 factorial into 2 factorial, correct? And into what I get, 3 divided by 1 factorial into 2 factorial, and we have into 4 factorial, right? One more time, please check. So I'm getting here, please check, we have is nothing but, sir, 2 into 2 into 2, right? Okay, this is going to be 24 into 3 into 24, sorry, it is going to be 6, right? Excuse me, 3 factorial is 6, sir. Okay, you should know these values, bacha, okay? 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, right? That is not a problem. Divide by 8 I have, excuse me, I have 8 3s I'm getting here. So I'm getting over here, please check, 18 and 24, right? So I can write here 18 4s are 72, so we have 2 here, 7 is carry, 36 plus 7, 36 plus 7 is 43, 432 is the value, 432 is the value, option A is correct. Okay, so you should know some multiplication, of course, in your mind to save some time in the questions. Okay, I hope this works. Please check. So 4C2 into 3C2 into 4 factorial is your result, and this is your calculation, sir. Done. Moving on to question number 5 is done. 6 now. Okay, A and B are non-singleton sets, means some value has to be there in A and B as well. Okay, so sorry, not some, more than one value, because they are saying non-singleton. Okay, more than one. So NA cross B is 35. NA cross B is 35. Basically NA into NB, I can have this as 7 5 or 5 7. Correct now? 7 5 or 5 7. But they are saying that B is a subset of A, right? It means B has to be smaller. So B has to be 7 and A has to be. So B has to be 5 and A has to be 7. B is a subset of A. Okay. So B is going to be 5 and it's going to be 7. What are they asking? NACB means 7C5. How much is that? 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. What I get? I get here 7 into 6 by 2. How much I get? 21. Please check. Answer is option D. It's a PYQ from 2021. Have a look. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear, right? Very simple question. Yes. Please have a look. 6th is answer. Option D is correct. Okay. 7th one now. Another PYQ from 2021. Yes. A student has to answer 10 questions, choosing at least 4 from each of part A and B. So there are 2 parts, A and B. Okay. He has to choose minimum of 4, sir. A minimum of 4 from each of the category. Okay. And answering total 10. Okay. Chaliye. It means it can choose 4 here, 6 here, 5 here, 5 here, 6 here, 4 here. Right? Any other possibilities, sir? Any other possibility? No. 4 to 6 we can go and 6 to 4 we can go. Right now, because we have to make the sum to be equal to 10. Okay, he has to answer 10 questions. Now A has total of, please check. A has 6 questions and B has 7 questions. B has 7 questions. Okay, that's why. Okay, we can also go. Okay, we cannot, we can, if we take, let's say over here 7 and 3, then I have to choose what? 3 here. But I have to take minimum of 4, right? It means this is not possible. Okay, so please check. I have to take multiplication of these two together. From here I get 6C4 into 7C6. Okay, from here I get, please check, 6C5 into 7C5. From here I get 6C6 into 7C4. Okay, now you are going to add all these values. So basically 6C4 into 7C6. Okay, how is that going to be, bacha? So I'm asking you to do what? Let me just show you. I'm asking you to add these different values. Okay, so basically this bracket plus this bracket plus this bracket. Okay, if you want to see these values, what it can be, I can take 7C4 common, no? Yeah, but no need. Okay, so please check here what I'm going to get. I'm going to get this as 6 factorial, 6 into 5 upon, I get here 2 factorial. So basically 2 into 7C6 is there, no? So basically I'll get 7 only, right? I'll get 7 only. Please check. Okay, 7 only. So this is done. Plus for this part I have 65 will be again just 6 I have over here, and for this I have 7 into 6. Please check by 2. 7c5 is 7 into 6 by 2. Great. And again you have plus sign over here. 6 how much, sir? 1 is going to be this for 6c6, and 7c4 will become 7 into 6 into, what is it, 5, right? Yeah. And we have upon 3 factorial, correct? No, 7 minus 4 will be 3 factorial, and it will divide by 4 factorial, so yes, going to be yes, correct only. 3, cancel this out. What I have left, please check. So I have over here 2 3s are 6, right? So I'm getting here 5 3s are 15 into 7, so we get, basically we get 15 7s are, right? 105 over here. Okay, and for this I get, please check, here I have 3, so 21 into 6, so 6 into 6 and 12, right? So 126. So here 21 into 6 is 126, and over here I have 35 one more time. They're going to be please check, 140. So 140, this and this is 140 plus 240, 266. Please check, answer will be 266. Okay, again this is simply calculation. You can have different way of doing it. My way is this. You can have a different or better way as well, not a problem. Okay, 7th is done. Question number 8 now. All right, if all permutations of the letters of the word mask are arranged in the order as in this dictionary. Okay, dictionary means first A will come, then please check K will come, then M will come, then S will come, right? Now dictionary, right? First alphabetical order has to be there, no? A, K, M. Yeah, J, K, L, M, correct. No, forgot A, B, C, D. All right, chaliye. So we are looking for 19th word. So if I have to change, let's say start from A, starting with A. How many words can be there? I can have 3 different ways to do this, 3 factorial ways. How much is that? 6 different letters will be there. Starting from K, how many I'll have, sir? Starting from K, I will have again one. If I start from K, I'll have AMS again. So 3 factorial. One more time, we'll get 6 only. Starting from M, what I have? Again, you have 3 factorials. What do you get? 6 only. Add this, how many you have? 18 so far. It means if you start from A, you get total of 6 letters, 6 words. Start from K, you get total of again 6 more words. Start from M, you get another 6 more words. Total of 18 is done. It means next will be starting from S. Starting from S. It means what I have? S. What should come next, sir? Again alphabetical order. I should have S, A, K, M. S, A, K, M will be my 19th word. 19th word. Answer is C. Please check, answer is C. Okay, done, right? Yeah, this is done, right? Please check. Done. Good question. Next, what we have, sir? 10 chairs are numbered as 1 to 10. Okay, 3 women and 2 men which occupy the 1 chair each. Okay, means total of 5 I'll be using, no problem. 3 men over here and 3 women and 2 men, no problem. First, the woman choose the chair marked 1 to 6. Means out of the 6, she has to go 3, right? So 6C, 3 into, it's a choosing. Okay, I can choose anyway. I can choose basically into 3 ways. Basically, I can write here 3 factorial, or basically writing it as P, sir. Okay, great. Now, men choose the chair from remaining. What is there left now? I have total of 7 left now out of 10. 3 is taken, right? Because there are only 3 women. So out of the first 6 chairs, women has to choose any 3. So they chose 3. Once that is done, I have 7 left. So out of 7, we have to choose 2. So 7P2. Option is 6P3, 7P2. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. That easy? Yes, that easy. Okay. Now let's begin with question number 10. Consider an infinite geometric series with first term A and common ratio R. First term A and common ratio R. Okay. Sum is given as 4. It means S unit is given as 4. Basically, it means, check here, A upon 1 minus R is the formula for S infinity. Great. And for this I get A equals to 4 minus 4R. From here I get 4R equals to 4 minus A. From here I get R equals to 4 minus A by 4, right? Yeah. Great. And second term is 3 by 4. They are also saying that second term is 3 by 4. It means that, bacha, please check. It means AR is 3 by 4. AR is 3 by 4, right? So from here I get R equals to 3 by 4A. 3 by 4A. Moving this A on this side, 3 by 4A. Now keep this together. What I get? 3 by 4a equals to 4 minus a upon 4. Cross multiply, I can get this is cancelled directly, no problem. 4 and 4 is cancelled. I get 3 equals to 4a minus a square on this side. A square minus 4a plus 3 equals to 0. From here I can get, a minus 1 and a minus 3 equals to 0. So I have the value of a as 1 or 3. Value of a as 1 or 3. Value of a as 1 or 3. Please check. I hope this is done. This is clear. Great. A is 1 or 3. Now with this known, we check here, we don't have any option like this. Only 3 is there. Option D is correct then. If you want, you can solve it from here, not a problem. Put this r value here, 3 by 4 into 3, you'll get 1 by 4 only. So that's the option. Okay, put this a value as 3. In this condition, you get 3 by 4 into 3. So 3 and 3 cancel, you have 1 by 4 left. So your r will become actually 1 by 4 only, sir. This is done. Moving on to next question, 11th one. If the second and fifth term of an GP, second and fifth term is 24 and 3. Second means, please check, AR is 24 and we have AR, please check AR also. Fifth knows AR power 4 as 3. Divide this 2, you get R cube equals to 3 by 24, right? So you get 1 by 8, right? So you get R value as 1 by 2, right? R value is 1 by 2, okay? So A will be, sir, basically from here, if you can check here, A will become 48. A is 48. Now, done. What are you looking for? Sum of first 6 terms. So I'm looking for S6. I'll have A into, so 48 into, please check. We have R power n minus 1. Okay. So basically R power 5 minus 1 upon, we have R less, no? So 1 minus actually we have to do. Yeah. Excuse me. 1 minus R power 5 upon 1 minus R we have. Please check 48 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power 5, correct now? Divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. How much I get? I can write this as 48 times of, I have what, bacha? Please check. 2 power 5 is 32, so 32 minus 1 upon 2, so 32 actually, divided by 1 by 2. Please check what I'm getting here. 48 into 31 by 32 and divided by, this is into, right, and by 1 by 2, right? So I get this as 16. Okay, I get this as please check, 48 into 31 by 16. So now what are you looking for? The sum of first 6 terms, basically S6. How much is that going to be? Value is less than, R value is less than 1. We'll write here A times of 1 minus R power 6 upon 1 minus R. How much we get? 48 into, please check, 1 minus 1 by 2 power, how much I get over here? 6 divided by, have a look, we have 1 minus 1 by 2, right? Basically 1 by 2 over here. So have this will go up. So 96 into this will 2 will go up, right? So 96 into, have a look, I'm getting here, what is it, sir? 2 power 6 minus 1 by 2 power 6. All right, so I get here 96 into, how much is that? 30 to 64. 64 minus 1 upon 2 power 6, right? So it becomes 64 only, right? Excuse me, 64 only, right? Yeah, 64 over here. So what I have, 32 times 2 is 64 and times 3 is 96. I get here 3 times of 63 upon 2. 3 3s are 9, 18. So 189 by 2 is the answer. Please check. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. 11th is done. Question number 12 now. Have a look. Okay, this is clear. Okay. If ABC are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, all right. AP, right? It means A plus C equals to 2B. From the concept of AM, arithmetic mean, right? A plus C equals to 2B. Correct now? ABC and AP means middle term will be the arithmetic mean. So B equals to A plus C by 2. So A plus C equals to 2B. And they are saying that this is in GP, right? They are saying X, Y, Z in GP. It means if first term is X, I'll have Y equals to some constant X into R and Z equals some constant X times of R square. What is R, sir? The common ratio. What is R, sir? Some common ratio. Some constant, okay? We don't know that, but it's just some constant common ratio. Okay, chaliye, now we'll use the what they have given value of this. So x power b minus c we have, we'll write like this only, and we have y, so I can write y as xr power c minus a, and write this z as xr square power a minus b. Okay, please check. I get x power b minus c, and I get x power, okay, I have x everywhere, right? So I can write here plus c minus a, because in the product means I have to add the powers, plus c minus a. I get here plus a minus b, and for this side I get r power c minus a and r power 2 times of a minus b. Okay, please continue for this. What I get, plus b minus b cancelled, plus a minus a cancelled, I have plus c minus c cancelled, means basically x power 0 I have. Now check for r, I get c minus a plus 2a minus 2b. So now x power 0 is going to be like this only. X power I get, please check, c 2a minus a is sir, c plus a, and we have 2 minus 2b, right? Have a look. I can write this value of c plus a as 2b, c plus a as 2b. So it becomes so x power 0 r power, please check, 2b minus 2b. How much is that? And cancel, we have 0 left over here. So x power 0 r power 0, how much is that? 1 into 1. Answer will be option D, 1. Option D, 1. Done. Simple question. This is clear. 12th is done. 13th one now. The third term of a GP is 9. Okay, and the first, okay, product of the first 5 terms, that's sequence bacha. First 5 terms we can write like this, no, in GP. 5 terms, please check. In GP we have a by r square, a by r, a r, and we have ar square. Why we do that? Because if we take the product, no, we'll have r square with this r square cancelled, we have this r and this r with cancel. Okay, so please check what they have given. Product means multiply all these two together, multiply all these together, what are you gonna get? Okay, you'll have this and this cancelled. Please check. This is given as 5 term. Okay, they're asking this value only. Great. So what are they asking actually? Have a look. I'll have only a left over here. So the result will be actually only a into a into a into a into a, right? Basically a power 5. We are looking for a power 5, right? So our answer will be actually a power 5. Great. So I want the value of a, right? They're saying the third term of a GP is 9. Third term means first, second, third. They're given this value as, please check, 9. So right here 9 power 5. Right, 9 as 3 square power 5, 3 power 10. 5 into 2 is 10. Answer is B. Please check. Answer is B. 13th answer is B. 3 power 10. Okay. Question number 14 now. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 14 says, bacha, if A1, A2, A3, A10 is geometric progression, okay, A3 by A1 is 25. It means AR square by A is 25. It means cancel, we get R square as 25. It means R value is plus minus 5. Clear, no problem. What are they asking? A9 by A5. So A9 by A5 will become, please check, AR8 by AR4. A cancel, we get this as R power 4. What's the value here? Plus minus 5 power 4. Even power means simply 5 power 4. Option is C. Option is C. 14th is done. Simple or not? Very simple, sir. 14th is done. Let's now move to 15th question. The value of x satisfying the relation of this. Let's find this. Apply the condition now. We get L11 outside. Okay. We have x factorial divided by, please check, x minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. This is there. 24 is outside as it is. We get again one more thing. X plus 1 factorial divided by x plus 1 minus 2, right? So x minus 1 factorial, right? Into 2 factorial, correct? Now please check very carefully. I can cancel something over here, but you have to be very smart doing that. Okay, means you don't have to do a lot of work. Just think in your mind. I have x minus 1 over here, x minus 3 over here. What is left now? If you cancel these two, you'll have left bacha with x minus 3 into x minus 2. Not on this side actually, forgive me. Not on this side. This is smaller, right? So on this side you'll be left. please check. So actually you have this side, no, forgive me, you'll have x minus 2 and x minus 3 left, right? Sorry, what I'm doing, forgive me, sorry sir, yeah, my mistake, I didn't think about it. Yeah, so this is bigger, right? X minus 1 is bigger, x minus 3 is bigger. X minus 1 is bigger. If you cancel these two, you're going to get x minus 1 left, x minus 2 left. What is next term, bacha? I can write this as x minus 3 factorial, right? I'm cancelling this part only. I hope this is clear. This is clear, right? I can write this x minus 1 factorial as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 factorial. Cancel with this part. Okay, I'm left with only x minus 1 into x minus 2. Great, sir. Chaliye. Now remove this part out. I don't want that over here. And of course, we can cancel this as well. We have here 2 factorial. We have 3 means we can cancel this with 3, right? What is 3 factorial, sir? 6. This is 2. Cancel with 3. Okay. Same way, please check, this is bigger, right? Bigger, no? I can cancel this x factorial by this simply by x plus 1. What I'm getting over here? I'm getting 11 by 3 equals to 24, of course, is there. And we have x minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 1 into x minus 2. Cross multiply, you get 11 times of x minus 1, x minus 2, and you have 72, right? Yeah, 72 times of x plus 1. Solve this quadratic, you're going to get a quadratic over here. Solve this, you're going to get x value as 10. Answer will be D. Please check. You'll get a quadratic over here, no? 11x square minus plus 2 is there, so plus 22 you're going to get. From here you have to take these terms on this side. Solve, you're going to get the x value as 10. Do one thing, check over here. We get 10 minus 1 as, what do you have? 10 minus 1 as 9, 8. So we get over here 11 into 9 into 8 and put here x value. 72 into 10 plus 1 is 11. Please check this out. 9 into 8 is 72 only. Are they same? Are they same? You can check that like this also. If you want, you can check like this as well. Correct or not? Take x value as 10, sir. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 10 minus 2 is 8. Over here 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into 72 I'm getting over on this side. RHS over here. 11 into 9 into 8. How much is that? 72 only, no? Right? Done. 15th is done. 16th now. I have 1 upon 5 CR plus 1 upon 6 CR. Okay. I can see this is common in both the terms. Yes. So let's do one thing. Let's take that out. What I get now? I take this out basically 4 CR common. If you can't see that, I can actually do the expansion for all of you. That will be easier, I think. That will be easier to understand for all of you. Okay. This might be tricky for some of the students, so I will not do that. I'll just expand, write the combinations 6 CR and 5 CR. So what I get for this, please check. I'll have 1 is there, no? So I'll write from here. I get 5 factorial. Excuse me. I'm writing the first term, okay? 5, I'm writing 5 CR. So I write here as 5 factorial. And I'll have divided by, please check, 5 minus r into r. So I write here 5 minus r factorial into r factorial, right? Correct, na? Okay. Same way. Plus 6 minus r factorial into, what is it? Please check, r factorial. Okay, divided by, I get over here 6 factorial. On this side, what I have, RHS side, I get 4 minus r factorial into r factorial upon, please check, 4 factorial. Now you can see what is common now. Both of this will have 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, right? We'll have 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 till 6 we have in this case. I'm going to take this out from the first two terms. 1 by 4 factorial common. Okay? 1 by 4 factorial common. Chaliye. Great. From there, what about numerator, sir? I can see here 5 minus r, 6 minus r. Okay, which is bigger, sir? This is bigger. I can take 5 minus r. I want only 4 minus r. Let's do one thing. Let's take only 4 minus r common. Okay. And of course, you'll have r factorial as well. You'll have r factorial already. How come, sir? How come? Check the numerator. We have both the terms as r factorial. That is common, sir. What is happening in the first term? I have only, 5 minus r left over here. And in this we have, okay, upon 5 I have plus. In this we have 6 minus r into 5 minus r. Please check. Upon 6 into 5 we have. Great. And on this side what I have, please check, 4 minus r factorial into r factorial upon 4 factorial. Right? I hope this is all clear. Yeah? Great. Now check this out. What I get for this part? I have this part, this factorial only. Okay, no. Yeah. Great. So this and this part, cancelling this. I can take one more time this common. I have 5 minus r upon 5 common. I get here 1 plus 6 minus r upon 6 equals to 1. LCM will be how much? Please check. I have 5 minus r over here upon, 5 only. Yeah, I have 5 itself over here, and I can get this here 6 plus 6 minus r upon 6 equals to 1. Simplify this. I can get here 5 minus r into 12 minus r, right? 12 minus r upon what I have? 6 into 5, so 30 equals to 1. Cross multiply now. I'm getting here 60 minus 12r and plus r square. Of course, we have minus 5r, and on this side I have 30. Make this equation r square minus 17r, and I have 30 will come on this side, becomes 60 minus 30, so plus 30. Please check the factors. I have r square minus 15r, and I have minus 2r, right? Yeah, plus 30. Basically, I'm getting r value as 15 and 2. Solve this quadratic, okay? R value is coming as 15 and 2. So I cannot take 15, right? It cannot be more than 5, it's or 6 or 4. I have to take value of r as 2. This 5 cannot be there, okay? Answer has to be option B. Please check. Have a look. This is done. Clear? Good. Okay. So 16 is done. 17th question now. All right. If B is the first term, have a look first. I hope this is clear, right? 16th is done, right? Please check. Everything is clear, no? Okay. Some calculation is there. Not a problem. Again, it's not a P by Q. 17th now. If B is the first term of the infinite GP, okay, whose sum is 5, chaliye, saying S infinity is given as first term is B, right? So B upon 1 minus R. Okay, what is this given as? 5. No, so 5 equals to B upon 1 minus R. Please check from here. I can get 5 into 1 minus R equals to B. From here I get 1 minus R equals to B by 5. Okay. From here I get, please check, R value equals to 1 minus B by 5. Now we know this, in this condition the R has to be less than 1. It means basically we know this condition as R should be between minus 1 and 1. So write this value of R from here. 1 minus B by 5 should be less than equal to, so less than 1 and greater than minus 1. Move this 1 on both sides. I get minus 1 less than minus B by 5, and we have 1 minus 1. I get minus 2 on this side. I get minus B by 5 less than 0. Cross multiply with 5. I get minus 10 less than minus B less than 0. I change the sign by multiplying with a minus sign, because I have plus B over, I need plus B over here, right? So it becomes 10, it will become B, it will be 0 only, but inequality will reverse. Multiply with a minus sign, no? Over here I'm going to next, what we're going to do? Multiply with a minus sign, sir. Okay, multiply with a minus sign. What I get? Minus 10 becomes plus 10, this will be 0 only, but inequality will reverse. What I'm getting here? Value of B will lie between 0 open to 10 open. 0 open to 10 open. Answer is option C. Please check. 17th is done. Option C is correct. Okay, simple question. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z power n. There is a formula for this, right? 3 variables are there, 1, 2, 3. We have n plus r minus 1 c, but we have r minus 1, right? Correct, na? So what I get, n value is whatever it is. Okay, no, this is not right. Okay, this is not it. This is not it. Okay. No, this is not right, sir. Not this one, not this one. It's different property. Number of terms in expansion. Okay, this one. Alright, we have to use this property, right? N plus 1. This time we are going to look at n plus 1 times of n plus 2 by 2, right? Yeah, in this case directly holds. Good for option A. Okay, this n can be anything. In this we have n as n, so answer will be option A. Okay. Question number 9 now. 19 now. Find the sum of the infinite series 1 plus 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cube plus up to infinity. Sum of this infinite series. It's a good question. Okay, let's see how we can solve it. S equals to 1 plus 3x plus 6x square 10x cube plus so on till infinity we have, right? Okay, let me write here Sx first. I'm going to write here Sx first. So I'll get here x plus 3x square plus 6x cube. Right now, I'll become 4, correct. So we'll have over here 10x power 4 so on till infinity. Now do one thing, right here s minus sx. 1 minus x will become what? Please check. We'll have 1 actually 1 as it is. 3x minus x will become 2x we have. We're getting close, right? Because whenever we see infinite series, no, look for GP, okay? Look for GP. What is GP going to look like? I have x square, basically 1x x square, x cube like this, right? But it is not in the case. We're going to make that change. We have 1, 2x, please check. 1, 2x, and this will become 6 minus 6 will become 6x square minus 3x square will become 3x square. 10x cube minus 6x cube will become 4x cube, so on till infinity. Okay, chaliye. Now what we're gonna do? Well, let's multiply this with x actually. So I multiply this with x, I get x times of s minus. Okay, I want sx only. Please check. Basically, I'm doing step by step. Okay, I'm writing here s minus sx. I'm multiplying this with x. Okay, so what I get for this? Have a look. I have x plus 2x square plus 3x cube. Now it makes sense, right? Yeah, 4x power 4. Yeah, please check till infinity. Now subtract these two, this minus this. If this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2, I'm asking to do what? 1 minus 2. Please check here what I get. S minus sx minus x times of s minus sx. Please check, I get what? 1. I have 1. 2x minus x will be simply plus x. 3x square minus 2x square, how much that will become? Plus x square. 4x cube minus 3x cube will become, sir, how much? Please check. We'll have simply x cube, and same way you can keep going as x power 4, so on till infinity. Okay, so simplify on this side, what I get? S minus sx minus xs only, and minus plus sx square. This and this is cancelled, right? And have a look, what is this going to be, sir? Simply going to be s infinity, no? 1 into x plus x square plus x cube. So first term is 1, and common ratio is how much, sir? Common ratio is x actually. Please check. 1 into x is x, x into x is x square, like that. So 1 minus x I'm getting over here, right? 1 minus x I'm getting over here. So what I'm getting now, please check. I have s minus sx minus sx plus s. Okay, great. 1 minus x only, right? All right, something is wrong, is it? S minus sx I'm getting, subtract it, it'll become plus only. S minus sx into x, so sx will be cancelled. Okay, no. I think we should add these two, right? Because we want to cancel subtraction only. S minus sx. So I want to actually subtract that. Okay. How should I do it? I should get x's. Okay. So something seems wrong. Yeah. So what I've done over here actually is cancel these two out. I have to remove that part. Now please check what I'm getting over here. So if you check now, I can take this as, I take x common over here. So I get 1 minus x plus x square. And this side I have 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay. So what I'm getting, please check. I'm getting here 1 minus 2x plus x square equals to 1 upon 1 minus x. Please check. I'm getting s times of 1 minus x the whole square, 1 upon 1 minus x. On this side, if you can move, I get the s value as 1 upon 1 minus x into 1 minus x the whole square, basically it will become cube. I have 1 minus x power 1 over here. If you move this side, it will become multiplication of 1 minus x power 3. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Please check. This is done, right? So I actually cancel these two out. So not cancel it, they're both negative. How can I cancel this? It will become minus 2x actually. It will become minus 2xs. Okay, please check. 19 is done. 20th will solve now. Question number 20. Let's move on. Okay, clear. The total number of terms in the expansion. Okay, but please check here. This is the form, right? When n is odd, right? We have to write this as n plus 1 by 2 now. X plus x minus a form is there. It means 47 plus 1 by 2. How much is that? 48 by 2. How much is that? 24. Option is A. It's a P by Q, I think. It's a P by Q. Please check. Done? Okay. 21 now. Same approach, right? P by Q one more time. Please check. We'll write here 25 plus 1 by 2 will become 26 by 2. How much is that? 13. Option C is correct. 21 also same approach. P by Q again. Please check. Answer is 13 one more time. Okay. So please solve questions where they're asking number of terms kind of question. Okay. Again 22. Yes. In this we'll write this approach, bacha, please check. Yeah. For this we'll write n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1, and we get this value as 10 plus 3 minus 1 c2. Yeah, same thing I was doing that time. Okay, correct only. So we get this value as, please check, 12 factorial upon 10 factorial into 2 factorial. What I get this as 12 into 11 by 2. So I get 6 over here. Answer will be 66. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, 22 is done. 23 now. Let A, B, C, D and P be any non-zero distinct real numbers such that condition is true, like this. Okay, now if you completely start solving this question, it will take a lot of time. Okay, use your mind. So please check this similarity. I have some square term over here, some 2ab term over here, some another square term here. Basically I can use this formula, x square plus y square minus 2xy equals to x minus y the whole square. So I'm going to identify this. What is x and y first cases? Okay, so I have a square p square. Okay, so right here ap the whole square is one of the term. Now I can check this out. I want ap with what, sir? I have AP with B. So right here, I'll take this B square together. I'll have B square, and right here minus 2ABP, minus 2ABP. Please check. I had A square P square from here. I had B square from there, and I had 2ABP. This will become AP minus B the whole square. Similarly, we'll have, sir, please check. We'll have BP minus, please check from here what we're getting with BP. We're getting C. So minus C, no, not plus C, minus C only will get. Okay, so I'm writing the first expression I wrote, then I'm gonna start with similarity condition. So similarly condition, AP minus D equals to the whole square plus BP minus C the whole square, and next you check, we have CP and we have C with D. It means we'll have this as CP minus D the whole square. We have D square over here, please check. Okay, and this will become, sir, actually equal to 0 because, sir, we have a square term, b square term and 2ab term over here. That's why, please check. So I can check here, this is all whole squares, means can never be sum. Can it be ever equal to 0? Only when this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Correct now? Can the sum of positive numbers be 0? No, sir. Only possible if it is 0, 0 individually. Please check from here the first one. If this is 0, I get AP equals to B. If this is 0, I get BP equals to C, and from here I get CP equals to D. So from here I'm getting, please check, I'm getting P equals to B by A. From here I get P equals to C by B. From here I get P equals to D by C. Check very carefully. If I had a number A, B, C, D, what is B by A called, sir? It's called the common ratio. What is C by B called, sir? One more time, common ratio. This also is called as common ratio, and that value is nothing but P only, na? Please check. B by A equal to C by B equal to D by C equal to actually P. It means it's going to be in GP only, na, sir? So we'll have the answer as option C. Please check. Option C is correct. Okay, done now. 28, sir. The greatest possible integer k, for which 49 power k plus 1 is a factor of the sum this. Okay, forget about this right now. We'll look at this sum right now. Okay, so we can write here sum equals to 1 plus 49 plus so on till, please check here. Okay, we had 49 square over here, we'll write that as well, and so on till 49 power 125. I can see this very clearly that it is going to be a GP where common ratio is nothing but 49. Right, the terms, how many terms are there, bacha? Terms are, total of power is 125. We have first term over here, so power total going to be term is, how much is that? 126. Okay, so we'll write here common ratio. So basically first term into 49 power 126 minus 1 and divided by 49 minus 1. Correct now? How many terms are there? 125 powers are there. We have one term individual as well. First term is 1. So total 126 terms are there. I can make a formula out of this. I can get here as 49. Please check. Power 63 the whole square minus 1 square upon 48. Correct now? 63 into 2 is how much, sir? 126. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. I'm making the formula a square minus b square. So it will become, please check, 49 power 63 minus 1, and we have 49 power 63 plus 1 divided by 48, okay. So it's 63, okay, actually, okay. So what I'm getting over here, please check, I'm getting basically my s value as 49 power k minus 1 and 49 power k plus 1, sorry, plus 1 is not in the power, actually in the with the term 49, okay. So plus 1 divided by 48. So what other question was? The greatest positive integer k for which this value is a factor. Is this a factor, sir? Yes, I can say that 49 power k plus 1 is a factor of s. When is possible? When k value is actually 63. When k value is actually 63. What is k? Please check here. 63. This is k value, right? 63. Answer is option D. A very good question, can be expected within the exam as well. Similar question. It's a good question, okay. 24 is done, 25 now. Now the last topic, complex number, will solve these questions as well. Simplified form of I power n. Okay, it's a PYQ, please check here. I power n, will keep it like this because I'm going to make something of change over here. Please check. I write here plus I power n plus 1, and on this I write I power n into I power 2. Correct, now same base power is added. So I power n plus 2 I had, I am writing this as I power n into I power 2. What about this? Same way, bacha, I write here I power n plus 1 into I power 2. Correct, now same base power can be added. Okay, please check. I have I power n as it is plus I power n plus 1 as it is. It will become, sir, I power n times of minus 1. Same way, I power n plus 1 times of minus 1. Okay, have a look. Cancel, 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 cancel. Answer is, sir, simply 0. I have plus I power n over here minus I power n over here plus I power n plus 1 over here minus I power n plus 1 over here. Answer is option A, 0. 25th is done, 26th now. Okay, great. If I have 1 plus I power upon 1 minus I power m as 1, what is the value of m? Okay, chaliye. Right here 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. Right here acceleration 1 plus I upon 1 plus I get this as 1 plus I the whole square divided by 1 minus I square. I get for this as 1 plus I square plus 2I divided by, I get this value as, have a look, 1 minus of minus 1. This is cancelled, right, because I square is minus 1, no? So cancelled. I'm getting this value as, please check, 2I divided by 2. Cancel, cancel, I get this value as simply I. So basically this value is nothing but I. So written over here I power m as 1. Think about it. If I take, bacha, I power 2, not t. If I take I power 2, it will become minus 1, no? It will become minus 1, right? It means this value has to be I power 2 power something. When can it become, bacha, m? Please check. It will become m only if this, it will become 1 only if actually I have minus 1 power 2. So please check, I have I power 2 power 2. How much is that? 4, na? I power 4. So compare this, I'm getting this value of m as 4 actually. Please check. Okay, correct, now I square. Okay, I can just compare this. Okay, no need of writing all of this. Okay, simply confusing. 1 second, I'll show you 1 second, one last time. Please check. I square is minus 1, right? And I want this to be plus 1, right? Okay, it means it has to be more than 2. Okay, it can't be 3. It'll become minus only. It'll become 1. If you take 1, it'll be simply I. Again, it'll be in terms of minus I. If you take I square, it'll be, what's the minus 1? I want it to be I power 4. It'll become I square the square. How much is that? Minus 1 square. How much is that? Simply 1. Hence, answer is option A, 4. Done. Okay, that approach will use the different question. 26 is done. 27 now. Okay, in this one we'll use that approach. We'll try. All right, sir. So again we'll have 1 minus I the whole square upon 1 minus I square. What I get for this? Please check. I get for this as 1. Okay, minus, no, I wrote plus in the numerator. It should be minus actually. Okay, what I'm doing over here, sir, rationalization. All right, so I get here 1 plus I square minus 2I divided by, same thing, 1 minus of minus 1. I get this and this cancelled. I get minus 2I upon 2. So I get simply this as minus I. All right, So I have minus I from here, please check. I have minus I power 96 equals to a plus ib. Compare this now. I get this as minus I the square power, I think 48, right? Should be a plus ib, no? Correct, right? Yeah. So I get minus 1 power 48 equals to a plus ib. From here I get plus 1 equals to a plus ib. It means 1 plus I0 equals to a plus ib, because we don't have a real imaginary part over here. I'm writing this as 1 plus I0. It means value of a is 1 and value of b is 0. So 1 comma 0 is the answer. Option B is correct. Please have a look. This is done. Okay, simple problem. Alright. PYQ from 2018. Done. Moving on to next question, 28 now. 1 plus I power x, 1 minus I, again we have, please check, equals to 1. We know this value was coming as I, right? This, we just solved this question. 1 plus I upon 1 minus I was coming as, 1 plus I upon 1 minus I was coming as, please check, I only. Okay. So this is clear. I power x, 1 second, I power x equals to 1. We got, no, this x value should be minimum 4, 8, excuse me, 4, 8, 12 like this. Correct, na? I square was minus 1, right? So it has to be either 4 then all multiples of 4, which is the answer 4, and option D is correct. Sir, we know this. I square is minus 1. Okay. So you can't take multiples of 2. If you take I power, let's say 4, if you take I power 4 is 1, correct. But if you take I power 4, that's okay. But if you take I power 6, if you take I power 6, it becomes a I power, please check, 4 into I power 2. So you'll have 1 into minus 1. How much is that? Again minus 1. If you want, I can show it again. Don't worry. I'll show you the I power 6 part. Okay, one more time, just to get the clarity. Have a look. If I write here I power 6, I can write this as I power 4 into I power 2. It'll become 1 into I power 2 is minus 1. How much I'm getting? Minus 1. I want only positive. Basically, I can't take the multiples of 2. I can't take 2, 4, 6. I can't take 2, 4, 6, 8. Because for this and this will have negative. But if I take multiples of 4, I'll have 4, I'll have 8, I'll have, what do you call, 12 like that. It means it'll be positive. Hence answer is x equals to 4n, multiples of n. N is a natural number. Okay, 28 is done. Please check. 28 is done. Okay. Yeah. 29 now. If I have 3x plus I, okay, I wrote something over here. Alright, 3x plus I, 4x minus y equal to 6 minus I, where x and y are real numbers, then compare, sir. Very simple. 3x plus I, 4x minus y, 6 minus I. Compare real part. 3x equals to 6. 3x equals to 6, it means x value is 2. Compare imaginary part, sir. We have 4x minus y equals to, from here you compare, you get minus 1. Please check, 4 into 2, I'm getting minus y equals to minus 1. Move this over here, this over there, I get 8 plus 1 equals to y. I get y equals to 9. Y equals to 9. Answer is 2, 9. Option B is correct. Okay, 29 is done. Last question of the day. Let's solve the question number 30 now. The modulus of the complex number. Let's take this modulus first. I have to find z value first. 1 plus I square, 1 plus 3i, okay, divided by 2 minus 6i, okay, and 2 minus 2i. Great. Alright, so let's solve this, no problem. So for that, we're gonna simplify this something first. So I'll have 1 plus I the whole square. I have 1 plus 3i, okay. I can take here something common. I can take 2 common here. So it'll become 1 minus 3i. Please check. 1 minus 3i I'm getting over here. Have a look. 1 minus, same thing, so okay, 1 minus 3i, okay, 1 minus 3i I get, and for this if I take 2 common one more time, I get 1 minus I. I can see the resemblance with this term and this term. Okay, they are complex, they are complex conjugates. So let's do one thing to rationalize it. I will multiply this with 1 plus I, and I get 1 plus 3i. Alright, same thing I'm going to do over here. 1 plus I and 1 plus 3i. Please check. So I'll end up with, of course I have to multiply these 2 and 2 together. I get 1 by 4 outside, not a problem. And what I have inside, please check. I'm going to end up with 1 plus I the whole square into 1 plus I. Basically 1 plus I the whole cube. Okay, 1 plus I the whole cube. And for this I get bacha 1 plus 3I the whole square divided by, I get 1 minus 9I square, right? And this will be multiplied with 1 minus I square. Correct now? Please check. This is Z only. So I'm getting over here 1 by 4 is there, of course. 1 by 4 is there. And 1 plus I the whole cube will become, actually please check. You have 1. You have I cube which will become again minus I. And you'll have, please check, 3 into I, 1 plus I. So 3I into 1 will become 3I. Okay. So plus 3I minus I will become 2I. And you have 3I square becomes minus 3, right? Okay. So I think 2I minus 2. Please check. 2I minus 2. Have a look. Solve this. 1 plus I the whole cube, you can do it from your side also. It will become 2I minus 2. If you want, pause the video and calculate it. You're going to get this result as 2I minus 2 only. Okay. Correct now. Right, 1 plus, 1 cube will be 1 only, and you have 3I into 1 plus I. So you'll get 3I square, it will be minus 3, so 1 minus 3 is going to be minus 2. So yes, minus 2 will be there. What about this 1 plus 3I the whole square? For this part I'll have 1 over here, and then I have minus 9, so it will become minus 8, please check. It will become minus 8. 3I square will become minus 9, right? So minus 8, and we'll have 6I. You'll have 6I over here, divided by 1 minus 9, right? So will become 1 plus 9. Okay, 1 plus 9, and for this part you'll have 1 plus 1, so basically 2. I can cancel this 2 with this. I have 1 by 4. Please check. I have I minus 1, and I have 6I minus 8 divided by 10, right? Okay, so I get 1 by 40 is there, of course, and I can write this as, please check, I can write roots now. So 1 plus 1, okay, and here roots also 36 and 64, right? 36 and 64, please check. 6 square is 36, and it's going to be minus 8 square, so basically 64. Okay, so we'll have 1 by 40, root 2 will be there, and you have root of 100, right? 36 and 64 is 100 only, right? Yeah, so will become 10 simply. Cancel this 0 0. What I have the answer as root 2 by 4. This is your value of Z modulus. Okay, so root 2 by 4 will be option C. I'll give you enough time to have a look. Don't worry, this is done. Please check. First, this was all to find Z simplification. This was till this point it is a rationalization. Okay, making this making this complex number in the numerator form, and from here I'm looking for modulus of Z. Okay, please check. Answer will be root 2 by 4. Answer will be root 2 by 4. This completes your top 30 questions from your chapters: complex number, permutation combination. You also had binomial theorem and sequences and series. Okay, so I think all of the algebra is completed. Please have a look. This is clear. Okay, so again I've taken almost all the PYQs. Yes, if you have doubt, if you want to ask something else as well from my side, let me know. And if you feel that some questions was wrong, what I did over here, some answer is coming different, let me know that also in the comment section. I'll come back in the comment section and talk to you. With this, I'm going to end the session right now, and I hope to see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.